Good evening, and thank you for being here with me. Hi everybody. Thank you for logging in. I'm so happy to have you all here. आज मैं जिसके साथ बात करने जा रही हूँ, she's fierce, she's fiery, she's independent, she's a self-made woman, she's a critically acclaimed actress, and she is a dear friend. उसकी और मेरी दोस्ती अब 2 decades से भी पुरानी हो गई है. And I am just going to add her, and we are going to speak a lot of things about us with you guys. I hope you're looking forward to it. And here is my gorgeous
Hi.
girl. Hello मेरी जान, so nice to see you.
Ditto.
लॉकडाउन में ऐसे ही मिलके हम लोगों को बहुत प्यार आ रहा है. बहुत तुम इतनी खूबसूरत कैसे लग रही हो मैडम?
बाबा मैं तो तुम्हें देख देख के बहुत इम्प्रेस हो रही हूँ with the kind of yoga videos you keep posting. I think everyone's very inspired by it. Like there's no single way that you've left for bending your body and twisting it. It's like a flexi doll. Huh?
There are many ways left. I'm working on them all. I was just telling everybody how पुराना our दोस्ती is, and हम दोनों से पुरानी दोस्ती मेरे my mother-in-law was just telling me कि your nana used to make non-veg food every Sunday, जैसे पंजाबी घरों में बनता है Sunday के Sunday non-veg बनता है, and he would save a portion for Joy, that is my husband, and either send it over or call Joy over because that's how much he loved him. So I said to my Sasuma ki tell me something about their family, and she's like they are the most innocent and the most matlab sada family you will ever have met in your life. And you know तुम्हारी और मेरी कनेक्शन तो वहां स्टार्ट हुई थी 25 साल पहले. हम दोनों ने एक फिल्म की थी सुरक्षा together. We were tiny tots, both of us.
My first film.
That was your first movie, baap re. It was अच्छा, I didn't know that. I knew it was a multi.
I was simultaneously for 2 films, but that was the one that released first.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
So do you have any memory of that movie? Any incident? Anything about your first film? Anything special?
2 specific ones. No, in fact, yeah. One was the climax, जिसमें मैं तुम्हें मिली थी. और I remember तुम्हें किसी something was you were put in a cart or something and they were pulling you. That very clear memory I have of you. And I was like, look at this lovely girl. घस के इसको लेके जा रहे हैं, कैसे जा रही है. And since it was my first film, मैं हर चीज आंखें फाड़ फाड़ के देख रही थी कि कैसे हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. And that climax I remember was in Mukesh Mills, and everyone in the cast was there, and you were your glam self, and there was Saif, there was Sunil, and Sunil ke saath my first shot was with Sunil because I was opposite him. And I was so excited कि मैं बैठ ही नहीं रही थी. तो नाइट का सीन था and पूरा गीला, बारिश में गीली हो गई थी. So obviously I would sit and cover, but I wouldn't. I was so excited. So Sunil told Raju ji, the director of the film, he says, लड़की तो sweet है ये, लेकिन ये बैठती क्यों नहीं है? I was so excited. But I think that enthusiasm is still on with me, and I am still very hyper on the sets, and I hardly sit.
Because you love your craft, so it's something that excites you every single time you're on a film set, and we can see that in you because you seem to put a lot of energy and yourself into every part that you do. And that's because you seem to just love it. I think तुम्हें अपनी real life से ज़्यादा पसंद है, नहीं?
ऐसा नहीं कह सकते. God's been very kind, Yashims.
That's true. You know, my connection with you, I will tell you, my connection with you is that you are such a mama's little girl. And I remember कि तुम्हारी और मेरी connection हमारी मम्मी से हुई. Your mom loved me so much.
Why?
Yeah. Yes. So yes, you do. But I absolutely loved her. I would love to spend time with her. Your mom was a doctor and you come from a family of doctors, which is
All are doctors.
All are doctors except you. What happened to you, bro?
What happened, bro? I was shit scared of that little needle that was brought in. बचपन से देखती थी injections लग रहे हैं, थोड़ा खून दिख गया. I used to get devastated. So I said, Mama, मेरे को कुछ भी बनना है, मेरे को डॉक्टर नहीं बनना है, because I was really scared of it. And then I was more inclined towards literature, philosophy, psychology. So mummy was nice and understanding. She didn't put any pressure on me. सारा pressure उठा के मेरे भाई पे डाल दिया. तू बन डॉक्टर, इसको नहीं बनना है.
Which is a good thing. The film industry would have lost out on a really great actress had you become a doctor. I have to tell you a very cute incident I learned about you. Your mom used to write बहुत पहले से, okay? She was a writer. And everything that she didn't like, she would scrunch it up and throw it in the bin. She would scrunch it up and throw it in the bin. And you were apparently really tiny, like so tiny. And you would go prowl to the dustbin and pick up all these scrunched up pieces of paper. And eventually, apparently, you compiled all these thrown away things and you made a book for your mother. Is that right?
That's true. Me and Rahul both together, we got this book out. Rahul's my brother, of course. So दोनों ने जब फिर मैं एक्टर बन गई तो मुझे लगा now I'm capable of like bringing out a book for her. And we called Sunil Dutt Saab to be the chief guest. और उस टाइम पे मोबाइल नहीं था मेरे पास, तो मैंने एक फोन कर दिया ऐसे घबराते हुए कि दत्त साहब हमारा बहुत पंजाब कनेक्शन है एंड आई रियली वांट यू टू कम एंड लॉन्च माय मदर्स बुक. और मैं बहुत नई थी तभी इंडस्ट्री में. एंड सो ही सेड बेटा मैं जरूर आऊंगा तो पंजाबी में. एंड सो आई वॉज वेरी स्केप्टिकल अबाउट रिमाइंडिंग हिम कि आप आ रहे हो कि नहीं. कोई मैसेज भी करने का टाइम नहीं था और उस टाइम सेक्रेटरी
मोबाइल से नहीं.
सो आई वॉज शिट स्कैर्ड कि मैंने सबको बुला लिया है जिन जिन को जानती हूँ. एंड अगर दत्त साहब नहीं आए तो, अगर 6 बजे नहीं आए तो क्या होगा. सो आई वॉज नर्वस रेक ऑन माई मदर्स बर्थडे. एंड लेकिन 6 बजते ही his car was there and I heaved a sigh of relief. But what a wonderful man to come and launch a book and इतनी प्यारा, वो इतना प्यारा फंक्शन था. एक होते हैं फिल्मी फंक्शंस, एक होते हैं जहाँ सब बड़े दिल से आते हैं. That was like something I'd always remember.
I think it's this connection. See, I've done a film with your mama as well, with Deepak ji. So I think your entire family has been itni loving and itni simple and itni that everybody जब भी आपके साथ रिश्ता बनता है तो बहुत प्यार का रिश्ता बनता है. And you are a यारों का यार. मतलब I can actually call you brother. You're such a जटनी and you are such a tough यार. और प्रा मेरे मेरा कम कर जा. But you are a यारों का यार. You die for your friends and you love your friends and you are absolutely the 4 AM person. तुम और मैं महीनों बात ना करें, but हम जब मिलें या बात करें, we seem to just pick up and we're absolutely comfortable, like two best friends should be. That's a wonderful quality.
That's the beautiful connect I have with you, Sheeps. कि हम चाहे नहीं मिलते और कई बार नहीं मिल पाते. Mumbai is like that. But I know you're there and I know I just have to make a call. You're right there and you're so warm and so loving कि वो लगता ही नहीं कि इतने टाइम हम नहीं मिले. So you kind of more than cover it up.
Yes, that's true. So we have a lot of catching up to do. So let's go back to some of your movies. Tell me some of, you started commercial. Suraksha was a pure commercial Hindi movie with climax, fighting, gunde, glamour looks and all. उसके बाद somewhere along the line was it very, did you do it बहुत सोच समझ के बदल दिया आपने अपना ट्रैक कि मुझे ये ग्लैमर एंड ये कमर्शियल सिनेमा से निकलना है, और इट्स जस्ट समथिंग दैट हैपेंड अलोंग द वे?
So जब मैं पंजाब में थी तो I was adjudged the best actor in the entire state. वो जो college के festivals होते हैं and all that stuff. I had represented India in Punjab, in Japan. तो बहुत कुछ किया था and I was like holding up all the tagmas of the college that time. Best dancer, best drama. तो मुझे लगता था मैं तो मतलब कमाल ही हूँ. So when I came to Bombay, I thought तो when I came here, I thought सारी फिल्में मैंने ले लेनी है. और यहाँ पर इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है, शीप, you also know it very well, कि यहाँ कोई मना नहीं करता है किसी को. So जिस ऑफिस में जाती थी मिलने, they would say हाँ आप हमारी फिल्म कर रहे हो. तो मैंने मम्मी को फोन किया, मैं कहा मम्मा आई एम डूइंग 22 फिल्म्स, आई एम वेरी बिजी. पता चला उनमें से एक भी नहीं शुरू हुई. तो आई वाज हार्ट ब्रोकन. एक में किसी को ले लिया, एक में किसी को ले लिया, तो ऐसे होता था. सो आई वाज वेरी नाइव, आई डिडंट नो, आई यूज्ड टू ट्रस्ट वेरी सून. एंड तो फिर जो मुझे मिला, व्हिच वाज दीज मल्टी स्टारर्स, पहले सुरक्षा आई, उसके बाद अग्नि साक्षी आई. तो I was known as this girl who looks like Manisha Koirala. तो उसको ढूंढ के आओ and all that stuff.
Yeah, amazing resemblance.
तो तब मनीषा जैसे बोलते थे, अब विद्या जैसे बोलते हैं. I think my face is like whatever.
अभी persona है actually. अभी वो एक look नहीं है exactly, एक feel है.
Maybe. So multi-starers की I used to enjoy those song and dances. मतलब वो that was a fantasy for me to do those dance around the trees and do a little, my thing was to, एक बार मैंने गोविंदा के साथ dance करना है, and I did that.
You
लेकिन
did,
मुझे
huh?
लगता था, yes. And but then I thought यार मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है यार, मैं मतलब कैसे करूँ, इधर तो 2 ही सीन देते हैं, स्माइल करके चली जाती हूँ. So one fine day I was like, I'm going to pack my bags and go back. अगर आपको मुझे अच्छी फिल्म दिलानी, I'm like fighting with God, कि दिलवानी है तो दिला दो, नहीं तो मैं तो जा रही हूँ. You won't believe it's a coincidence or a miracle, whatever. That same day I got a call for Train to Pakistan, कि आप मिलने आओ. तो मैंने कहा अरे वाह, ये तो हो गया. And I went to meet the director, Pamela Rooks. तो अपनी तस्वीरें ले गई, सब glamorous and all that stuff. So she saw those pictures and she says, I don't like them. मैंने कहा चलो, ये भी गया, अभी घर चलते हैं. So she says, but I like you without makeup, the way you are, child woman, I like that. So you're on. So I was on, and that started that kind of cinema for me. And then after that, I did Shaheed-e-Mohabbat, that Punjabi film, which became a cult film. And uske baad doors opened for me. Shyam Benegal's film I did, and I did a few here
फिर
and
वो
there.
ट्रैक ही पूरा बदल गया.
फिर ऐसा हुआ, yes. And then I did a show called Kadam, जिसमें मैं हर एपिसोड में एक अलग किरदार करती थी. उसे पूरी इंडस्ट्री ने देखा. And that's when Aditya Chopra called me for Veer Zara. And after that, things changed.
So, do you regret the fact that you became so serious that people only consider you for serious cinema and no frivolous parts again?
It's not about frivolous. It's about doing fun stuff and meet your games, whatever
or
genre
commercial
that-
stuff, or yeah.
But I mean, Bhag Milkha was a commercial film, Badlapur was a commercial film, Dilli Che was a commercial film, Veer Zara was a commercial
So you
film.
got the right balance now.
I have the right balance. I mean, on one side I worked with Yash Chopra, Rakesh Mehra. The other side I worked with Shyam Benegal, Rituparna Ghosh. So it's been like best of both. So I've been
So
lucky.
amongst all, which was your easiest part to play? कौन सा रोल ऐसा था कि तुम गई तो you said कि ये तो मैं हूँ. It's piece of cake.
See, the thing is, I'm very scared of that line, piece of cake, because वो क्या होता है, then you're too sure of yourself and then you don't give your best.
No, which part you've already done, which you felt was closest to your personality?
I think there's a little of me in every role, Sheeps. Matlab, except for Dilli Che, which was a totally different role, there's a little of me in most of the films that I've done.
You give a little part of your heart everywhere you come. छोटे छोटे दिल के टुकड़े अपने छोड़ आती हो.
No, I think a woman has lots of facets, no? Matlab, I'll be vulnerable. I'm also strong. I'm also a child somewhere. I'm also very funny where I have to be. तो वो सब है अंदर. अब वो कहाँ क्या निकल के आता है वो depend करता है.
So, do you feel the comedic facet of your acting prowess has been untapped so far? Or have you done something completely comedic?
I did Shyam Benegal's Welcome to Sajjanpur, where I was, it was a very funny, interesting part. Then I did Blackmail recently with Irfan. That was, again, a very interesting role of an alcoholic woman who treats her husband like, she calls him Kutta. And so that was a very funny part. Now I'm doing another film with Umesh Shukla. That's an out-and-out commercial comedy with Sharman Joshi, with Abhimanyu Dasani, with Paresh Ji, with Mrunal. So all of us are there. And yeah.
So what next for Divya Datta, the dream role? What is it that you want to do?
I'll have many dream roles, Shiva. I'm a very, very greedy actor. मतलब मुझे लगता है अभी एक थोड़ी पूछोगी तो मुझे बहुत बोलूंगी. इस डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करना है, उसके साथ करना है, ऐसा रोल करना है.
अच्छा कोई ऐसा रोल बताओ जो तुम्हें लगता है कि I would have done it better than that actor.
That I can't say. That's not fair on the actor who's done it. I can say I wanted to do that, but I can't say I would have done it better than that because
so
they
like
have given the best.
So like which part you feel? I wish I was in this movie. I mean, I know there are hundreds that we think I wish this was ours. I think
That's
I wish this was ours.
See, when I came, I wanted to do Goody.
Jayati wala
that was my height. I mean, all Rishida movies, all Gulzar Saab movies, I thought I should have been there. So they were like my hot favorites. So yeah.
And what part do you think you would be really bad at? What part do you think you cannot do justice to?
I won't say that.
ऐसा मतलब कोई part नहीं है दुनिया में that you think you cannot do. तो मुझे कुछ
No,
भी
that's good.
बना लो,
That's
जवान बना दो, लड़का बना दो, लड़की बना दो, सैड
all the
बना दो,
better.
हैप्पी बना दो, कॉमेडी
All the better. जितना उल्टा रोल दोगे उतना मेरे को टेंशन होगी और उतना अच्छा होगा फिर. Because there's a challenge in doing it. There's a challenge in proving a point that you can do it. There's a childlike enthusiasm in doing something that others think you can't. So
तो
that.
so and for you language is also no bar because you've done multiple languages in your acting career. English है, Punjabi है, Malayalam है, Hindi है, you know, you've pretty much done a whole gamut of languages, right?
I have. I've mugged up a few. The rest I knew.
But do you find it harder to emote in other languages?
Of course, because the dhyan is in the language.
हाँ,
That-
so does your acting suffer, you feel? You feel अगर मैं यही हिंदी में बोलती तो I would have done this little extra or put in this little nuance and this little line, you know?
See, that always happens with a familiar language because one part of it is taken care of. कि तुम्हें मालूम है तुम क्या कह रहे हो, तो उस पे ध्यान नहीं देना. Like I did a Tamil film where I was supposed to be doing all Prabhudeva steps and then learning the language. I thought ABCD बोल देते. एक friend ने मुझे कहा कि तुम ABCD बोल दोगी हो जाएगा. But there was nothing like ABCD. I had to mug up the lines. तो मैं तो बड़ी खुश होके गई कि ABCD होगा. तो he said आपका लाइंस याद है मैडम? I said नहीं याद है. तो लाइंस याद की, स्टेप्स याद किए, फिर एक्सप्रेशंस भी देने थे, तो obviously the expressions are the last thing on my mind that time. So yes, it becomes sometimes a little.
You know, I'll tell you an interesting thing about a Tamil movie. I did one of my first movies was with Rajni sir in Tamil, and
Yeah.
of course तमिल मतलब क्या, एक तो इंग्लिश मीडियम से आई हूँ, सीधा दत्त साहब ने कूट कूट के पहले तो हिंदी भरी मेरे अंदर टू डू माय फर्स्ट मूवी, और
Yeah.
सीधा पहुंच गई मैं रजनीकांत सर के साथ फिल्म करने. नाउ
Yeah.
यू सी द पर्सन दैट ही इज एंड दैट मैड यूफोरिया जो देयर इज फॉर हिम, राइट? एंड लंबी लंबी तमिल की लाइनें, कुछ ना समझ आए मुझे क्या बोलना है, क्या एंड कहाँ है, फुल स्टॉप कहाँ है, कॉमर कहाँ है, can understand nothing. But I tell you, he was the world's most helpful co-star. Because in a long shot, he would, because if he would turn around and tell the director, नहीं उसको English में बोलने दो, my line would be converted into English. And he would tell me, yeah, he would tell me, Shiva, say this, two words in Tamil, बाकी English बोलो. Because there's so many words in Tamil which Tamil audiences understand the English.
Right.
So,
Right.
and then so many things where there would be a long word and he would be there, he would, in the subtly in the scene, he would turn me away from camera कि वो मैं fumble कर रही हूँ उस word से, तो कुछ उसने wonder करके मुझे turn कर दिया. So having a helpful co-star makes such a difference.
Yes.
And you know, it was the first time in my life when I saw हार कैसे बनते हैं इंडिया में for their actors. मतलब मैं सुबह, हम लोग अगर 4 बजे की शिफ्ट होती थी, यू नो साउथ में सुबह 4 बजे कॉल टाइम लग जाता है हमारा, बिकॉज दे वांट टू रोल द कैमरा एट 7 AM. 7 AM क्या, 5 AM से लोग 80-80 किलो के बड़े बड़े फूलों के हार लेके रोड्स पे खड़े होते थे टू पुट इट ऑन रजनी सर.
Wow.
ऐसा पागलपन होता था फॉर यू नो साउथ एक्टर्स देन एंड नाउ. आई थिंक दे जस्ट रिवेयर देयर actors like gods.
True that.
So now I'm going to do a quick quiz with you because I know you are promoting a movie right now. Which movie of yours you're promoting? Can you plug it in?
Yes, of course. This film is called Ram Singh Charlie, और बहुत ही प्यारी फिल्म है. It's about how people from a circus, when the circus is over, how they get into the bigger circus that is the world outside, and it's a tougher world outside. And there's Kumud with me, Kumud Mishra. It's me. He plays Ram Singh Charlie. बड़ी मेहनत की है उसने, 25 किलो कम किया, और वो जो
25 किलो,
यस, और हैंड रिक्शा चलाया, और खूब मेहनत की, और उसके साथ फिर हम भी सब लग जाते थे. एंड नितिन कक्कड़, आई मस्ट से, इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट delightful directors I've worked with because he took me out of my comfort zone. मतलब हम सबको खूबसूरत दिखने का शौक है. इवन श्याम बेनेगल्स फिल्म्स, आई वुड पुट अ लिटिल मेकअप कि थोड़ा सा कर लो, सा डार्क सर्कल छुपा लो या समथिंग. लेकिन नितिन made me go wash my face. He says, don't cheat, go wash your face. he wanted to see my dark circles, he wanted to see all that, so I was very nervous कि कैसे लगता है यार बिना बिना किसी मेकअप के बस पहुंच ही जाओ, मतलब मेकअप का टाइम ही नहीं है ना, बाल बनाने का, ऐसे ही जाओ जैसे घर से आए हो, कपड़े पहनो और go on the set. It was a very different feeling and I kind of felt very like naked in front of the camera कि कुछ है ही नहीं ऐसे ही चले गए हो. Plus, then he said, your plus points are, you're known for your plus points, your emotional scenes, and you're laughing and smiling. Please don't use it in my film. I was like, अरे, तो फिर क्या करूँ? So what I loved and respected about him was कि हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारे directors ये फिल्में लेके आते हैं कि अच्छा, शिवा ने वो डांस बहुत अच्छा किया था, हमारी फिल्म में शिवा को वो वाला डांस जरूर देना. You know, they like to kind of cash in on what you've done very well. He didn't want to use what was, you know, my asset. He said, "Nahi, I will present you differently, in a different way, in the way I want to present you," which I thought was amazing. And I feel I look very different in the film, and I feel very different in the film.
And where is it coming?
It's coming on Sony Live, परसों 28th को, and it would be great if everyone watches it because this is one film जो लोगों ने जो उनके पास था, प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, सब ने उस पे लगाया है एवरीथिंग. एंड 20 दिन में हमने ये फिल्म बनाई है, 22 दिन में, और इतना दिल से काम मैंने नहीं देखा कभी कि सब राइट, मतलब हर कोई हर कुछ कर रहा था. सो दैट वाज ब्यूटीफुल.
How beautiful, how beautiful. Okay, a quick thing. I'm going to find more out about you and our audiences will too. So these are the three things. It's called three things. So tell me three names that you go by.
Three names that I go by, as in?
Yeah, like I call you Didi. That's one name.
Didi, Devu, D. That's it.
Three physical things that you love.
My mobile. I hate to love it, but I do. We can talk about human beings. No, you're talking about things, right? My makeup, little bit that I like. And what else? My badminton racket. I love playing badminton. So,
really?
Yeah.
Interesting. We should play.
You play too?
Of course.
Oh,
ऐसे
lovely.
स्पोर्ट्स में तो मैं
क्या करती हूँ?
मैं अभी क्या बताऊं. स्पोर्ट्स तो मैं सभी खेल लेती हूँ. I love you and I can go cycling, we can go horse riding, we can play badminton, we can play tennis, we can play squash, we can do just about anything. Acha, now that you said makeup, I'm going to quickly pause over here in the middle of my game and ask you what is your favorite makeup piece or makeup must have. Do you have a favorite makeup something?
I keep shifting things. Like I like to experiment.
Current favorite. Let's talk about your current must have.
current favorite makeup नहीं है. Current favorite है मेरा बेसन का लेप, जो मैं हर दूसरे पोत लेती हूँ. And because I was shooting for 6 months and I was tanned like how, because all were outdoors. So I had gone 7 shades darker. So I was like, ये तो मतलब whatever. I'm not a this thing, but tan तो निकालूं. तो वो जो मम्मी ने एक रेसिपी बताई थी, बेसन, हल्दी and all that stuff. So that every alternate day I put. So that for me is something I like to apply on my face like every alternate day. And
besan and doodh and besan and dahi. What do you do?
So besan, I have it here. So besan and malai ya doodh, kuch bhi, and haldi and a dash of honey. So that.
Ooh, interesting. Okay. So moving on. Tell me about 3 things that scare you.
Ghosts. Watching horror films becomes the same, no?
Same ho gaya na.
Getting stuck in a lift.
Okay. You have. Okay.
Total darkness. I need some light. I sleep with the light on.
Okay. Three items of clothing that are your favorite.
I love to wear clothes that are not mine actually.
So your brother and Bhabhi's wardrobe is in danger.
I'll take a t-shirt from my brother and I'll mix it match with something, and that's my comfort zone. I have a set of my pajama pants that I really love, but at the end of the day, I'm a sucker for saris. Yeah, I love saris. I mean,
and you carry them off so well.
Thank you, but I love them. I really do.
You're ekdam traditional, na? I mostly see you in cottons or jutes or things like that, right?
I love linens, I love cottons, I love.
You know, my friends are so weird. They're talking आपस में in my life. They're so weird. आपस में एक दूसरे से बात करे जा रहे हैं.
Acha, I didn't even see. I'm busy looking at you.
Bunny and Sonia and Meenakshi, I hate you all.
Hi, hi Bhagya, hi Meenakshi. Who's the third one there?
They're all here. They're all here. 3 accounts that you follow.
3 what I follow?
3 accounts. 3 social accounts that you follow.
You?
Oh, yay!
Sonu?
Yay!
Mr.
Favorite.
Bachchan?
Yay! Favorite. All 3 favorites. All 3 my favorites.
मैं अपनी खुद की favorite हूँ.
मैं तो 3 career paths you would have considered if you weren't an actress.
None.
Eh? Actor. तीनों actor.
मुझे बचपन से ही एक्टर बनना था. बहुत 4 साल की थी जब मैंने मम्मी के चुन्नियां दुपट्टे साड़ियां फाड़ के बच्चन साहब के उस पे डांस किया था. खई के पान बनाए. आई ब्राइब्ड ऑल द नेबरहुड किड्स के मैं डांस परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ, आ जाना. ओके और तालियां जरूर बजाना. So I loved it and I don't know how because there were all doctors all around me, but I wanted to be an actor.
So your mom was a single mom, and so was she always okay with you being an actress, or she was like, "नहीं कुछ पढ़ लो, कुछ बन जाओ." She was in that zone.
She was very. So I broke the news to her. I mean, it was मेरे exams चल रहे थे. Actually, I must tell you this. मेरे exams चल रहे थे college में, second year or something. एंड मेरी आदत थी कि एग्जाम्स के बीच में ना मैं बहुत फिल्मी थी हमेशा, तो फिल्मी मैगजीन्स पढ़ती थी और देखती थी इंटरव्यूज क्या हो रहा है एंड ऑल दैट. सो वन ऑफ देम स्टारडस्ट हैड अ टैलेंट हंट फॉर्म. तो मैंने ऐसे ही भर दिया और ऐसे ही एड्रेस देखा और भेज दिया. और मेरा भाई राहुल वाज वेरी स्मॉल, तो उसको मैंने कहा मेरी फोटोज खींच. दे हैड नो क्लू व्हाट अ फोटोशूट इज. ओके, तो जो देखती थी हीरोइंस कैसे फोटोज खिंचाती है, तो एक मैंने साइकिल के पीछे खिंचा ली, अपने ही साइकिल के पीछे. और वो सब पे मैंने फोटोज खिंचा के भेज दिया. एंड स्ट्रेंजली एंड इट गॉट सिलेक्टेड एंड आई गॉट अ कॉल कि कम फॉर द इंटरव्यू. तो अब मुझे मम्मा को बताना था कि अब तो ये हो गया है. So I went to her and I said, Mama, I had filled this form and it's done. So she just looked at me because my exams were on. She said, so what are you planning? I said, Ma, I really want to be an actor. So she said, not before you finish your studies. I mean, I am for it if you want to really do something, but are you sure? I said, yes, Ma, I'm very sure. I really want to give it a try. She was with me, हाँ Shiba. She didn't even think twice because उस time आज से 25-26 साल पहले लोग बहुत skeptical थे इंडस्ट्री में भेजने को अपनी बच्चियों को या whatever. Big bad world बोला जाता था. अब तो माहौल ही अलग है. अब तो पेरेंट्स कहते हैं भाई कुछ है तो बता दो. तो उस time she had to really fight a lot of opposition from the family, within the family. And I was very good in my studies. I was a topper. So they said, "Isko kyun aise bhej rahe ho?" and all that stuff. So she stood. She said, "If my daughter really wants to do something, I'm with her. And tomorrow if she falls and she says I want to come back, I'm still with her." So, but she said one thing: you have to finish your studies. चाहे यहाँ कर, चाहे वहाँ कर, अपनी पढ़ाई, अपनी graduation जरूर कर ले. You should have your degree with you. And so I did till MA Part 1, Part 2 नहीं कर पाई because shootings चल रही थी, तो उतना ही simultaneously पढ़ पाई. But yeah, she insisted that I study.
And she was your biggest fan and your biggest critique, yeah?
No, she wasn't my critique at all.
Only that.
She said, "Mera bacha best hai. My brother is my critique. He brings me down, crashing down."
You should hypnotize him, reverse. वो दुनिया को hypnotize करता है. You hypnotize him and say, "You love me most. I'm your favorite actor. I'm your favorite actor."
He says, "ऐसे तो तू तो आसमान पे चढ़ जाएगी, तेरी सब तारीफ करेंगे. कोई तो चाहिए ना जो तुझे ground करे. So I'm the one.
नहीं चाहिए critical नहीं चाहिए कुछ भी. Yes. Okay, so 3 holiday destinations that you want to go to.
Kerala, London.
You haven't been?
Of course I've been. I want to go again, yeah.
Acha,
well, I haven't been. Bhutan.
Okay.
I want to go to Greece for sure. I haven't been here.
Best holiday ever.
And I want to do Brazil. These 3 places.
Interesting. 3 filmy or fictional characters who are your crushes?
Right now, my crushes?
Yeah, right now. Na, फिर थोड़े when you were 20 years old. I mean, though
यार,
you're 25
crush
now.
नहीं होता है ना, अभी क्रश फ्रेंड्स पे हो जाता है अभी
अच्छा, तो तीनों के नाम बता दो फ्रेंड्स वाले.
खामखा खुश हो जाएंगे, चढ़ जाएंगे मेरे सिर पे, अच्छा यू हैव अ क्रश ऑन अस.
Name the 3 people you spend the most amount of time with.
My niece, my nephew, and my pet. They are 3
And
people I
Sakhi.
spend the max. हाँ,
She has a name. I know
Sakhi.
Sakhi.
Sakhi. Yes.
And tell me 3 of your 3 daily routines which you do every single day.
So every single day, I was going to say something really corny, but it's okay. It's like I
You
brush my teeth, I bathe, comb my hair.
Thank God. Thank God. Hey Bhagwan, thank God.
पता चले लॉकडाउन
I
में ये
could
भी
not
करना
speak
भूल
to you
गए.
if you didn't do all these 3 things. I can't bear to have a smelly friend.
No, we are in a virtual world, darling. That's all right. No,
I can
but,
smell you even across my screen. Huh? I've got a very sensitive nose.
So no, but one thing I really love doing and which was dying to do was go to the beach with Saki for a walk, which I finally did. I do that now in the mornings. Then I play my game, badminton every evening. वो मुझे
कहाँ
करना
जाके
है.
खेलते हो?
बिल्डिंग में ही खेलते हैं बेबी, कहाँ जाएंगे. हाँ,
But you
तो
live so near the ocean, so that it doesn't fly all over and spoil your game.
we are used to. मैं as an actor भी और वैसे भी हम against all odds कर लेते हैं हम अपना काम. So yeah, that, and then I'm writing my next book. तो वो जरूर लिखती हूँ. These 3 things I have to do in the day.
And my last question in my 3 series is your 3 favorite foods.
Are all घर का दाल चावल, butter chicken for a
It's so
Punjaban.
boring.
It's okay. And what else do I like? Listen, call me boring or judge me, whatever. I love kheer.
Ghee?
Kheer.
Kheer.
Kheer. Kheer.
That's a good thing to like. I didn't know
Oh,
what you
you're
said.
judging me. You're so boring. Yeah, fine. But
Yeah, I'm a little judgy that way.
Judgy?
I'm not mental, so I'm not saying judgmental. I'm judgy.
Oops. Okay.
I'm not
Judgy.
mental at all. Sometimes with my friends, but that's a different story.
But that's the charm. You have to be mental with your friends. Yeah.
So before we go, and I'm going to let you go really quickly today because I know you are very busy promoting your movie. You are going to tell me something about your writing skills. I know it comes down from your mom, and what is your inspiration behind writing? And do you have something you could read to us?
See, prose I've been writing. I used to write a diary earlier, and ऐसे लिखती थी. फिर मैंने columns लिखने शुरू किए for Hindustan Times. Then I started writing for Tribune, and I realized कि बहुत अच्छा connect है सबका लोगों के साथ. I remember I was doing a play with Om Puri, and I was in Punjab, and a 60-year-old woman just came up on stage, and after the play, she came and hugged me tight and said thank you. So I thought maybe she liked the performance and all that, and she's thanking me for it. So she says, नहीं आपने कॉलम प्ले, she said performance तो अच्छा था, लेकिन आपने जो कॉलम में लिखा था कि अगर आपके साथ कोई नहीं जाता तो आप अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड खुद बन जाओ और अकेले जाओ. She's saying मैं पहली बार ना पंजाबन she was. She said मैं अकेले अपने साथ छुट्टी मना के आई बेटा, and I was very happy, and thank you for giving me that inspiration to just take that first step. So I thought writing has such a strong connect with people, and so then I started writing, and then when Mama left, there was too much on my chest. I needed a catharsis, and I wanted to just celebrate her because I mean, moms are really special, but she was more than a mom for me. She was my bestie. She was my daughter.
She was your sunrise and your sunset.
Everything. She still is, but so I needed to celebrate her. I needed people to know what she meant to me, what all she did, and then I wrote that book. And then now I'm writing my next one. The Hindi
book was
poem,
Me and Ma.
Me and Ma. Now I'm writing my next one, and then I wrote this poem in lockdown because I thought दिमाग सबके हिल रहे थे, and but there was a certain sensitivity that was coming in everyone. मतलब मुझे बिल्डिंग के लोगों के पहले नाम नहीं पता थे, अब सबके नाम भी पता है, क्या करते हैं, कैसे हैं, एक फैमिली बन गई. और नीचे वॉचमैन के पास जा रहे हो, भैया चाय चाहिए. So I said ये हम नॉर्मली क्यों नहीं करते. So then I wrote this poem also, which was like जब सब ठीक होगा ना, and that one. So it was just I did one on like that. तो मैं जो आपको सुना रही हूँ वो मम्मी की पोएम है. मतलब इट्स लाइक अ लिटिल दिस थिंग व्हिच इज वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट्स. एंड मैं सितारों से बातें करती हूँ, मैं अक्सर सितारों से बातें करती हूँ. कभी कभी उनसे पूछ लेती हूँ, क्या तुम्हारी तरह आसमां के अंधेरों में चमक पाऊंगी? जिंदगी की इस शहर में क्या कभी टिमटिमाऊंगी? तभी एक सितारा टूट जाता है, मेरी गुमनामी की तरह किसी अंधेरे में. दूर, कहीं दूर खो जाता है. फिर भी मैं अक्सर सितारों से बातें करती हूँ.
वाह. when you said this, मुझे एकदम से मम्मी का चेहरा मेरे सामने आ गया. That was absolutely beautiful. And on that lovely note, I am going to say bye-bye to my beautiful friend. Thank you all friends who were here for both of us today. I saw a lot of fans of Divya here, and I am also a fangirl. She is an absolute amazing actress.
So girl.
And I love you, Div. And
Yeah.
we will meet again soon.
We must. And cherish you as a friend and keep doing the wonderful stuff that you're doing. God bless. Love you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. It was lovely having you. See you on Friday and Saturday. And Saturday is Sonu Nigam, so don't forget to tune in.